guys, magluluto tayo ng chiffon cake. We are going to bake a chiffon cake. Kasi New Year Eve na tonight. So first guys, we have 6 egg yolks. Ito ay isang extra large egg yolks. So we have 7 egg whites. Set aside natin. So we have oranges guys. Gagamit tayo ng freshly squeezed oranges. So 1/2 cup. We are going to bake an orange chiffon cake. Okay? So gagamit tayo guys ng 1.5 cup of sugar, 2 cups of plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gagamit tayo guys ng 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So ito yung ating lahat ng mga ingredients guys, okay? So first guys, we are going to prepare our dry ingredients. So ito na guys, we have our plain flour, 2 cups of plain flour and our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. One tablespoon of baking powder. Save natin guys. So, nandito na natin guys. We're going to make a wheel in the middle. Ilagay natin din guys ang ating orange zest or rind. This is 1 tablespoon. Yan guys. So dito tayo guys sa ating egg yolk. Mag-add tayo ng 1 cup of sugar sa ating eggs guys. Tapos manual beat lang natin guys. Guys, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 1/2 cup of orange juice. This is our egg whites. Ayan natin sa ating egg whites. So, ilagay natin ang ating half cup of sugar po konti-konti, guys. So, ito na siya, guys. Oh, yung hindi na mag-move. Ito na siya, guys. Okay. So, yung palatandaan, guys, oh, hindi na nag-move. Okay? Ito na yung ating meringue. Kuha lang tayo ng pakunti, guys. Folding method siya, guys. So, continue the process lang. Oh my God, ang dami. So, bawal ito ma-overmix, guys. Kailangan lang talaga. Okay. So, ito na ating mixture, guys. Ilagay natin ito sa ating desired pan. Ito na siya. Gamit tayo nito, guys, para mawala yung air bubbles niya. Oven. Sobrang init na yung ating oven. Okay. Ito na nating mixture. So guys, luto na ang ating chiffon cake at around 55 minutes, guys. So, ang ginagawa ko after pick up ng oven, just invert it immediately para hindi siya mag-deflate, guys. Ayan siya. So guys, this is our final product. This is orange chiffon cake. So this is ready for tonight, and so happy New Year, everyone. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking new baking episode for today. So guys, I hope you learned something out from my cooking. So, ito na yung ating chiffon cake, guys. Ang sarap niya, guys. Oh, smell good. So, that is our orange chiffon cake. And if you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell below for more videos. And subscribe nyo na rin ang aking channel, guys, or share. So, this is Tasty Channel.
1, 2, 3, come on!